Hello everyone, welcome to our video today. I'm going to introduce the newest products on my right hand. This is vacuum sealers. Let me give you the overall dimensions first. For the length of the units, they are about like 17 and 1/4 inches wide. And the depth of the unit is about like 19 and 3/4 inches deep. And the overall height of the unit is about like 26.5 inches tall. So when we look in the front of the units, we can see they have a manual boards right here. And also they have a price gauge is monitoring here. And also we do have a lockers on the both side of the units, the top lids. So I can release it. And this lid will be jump out. So they do have gas keys all around this top lid. And the manufacturer give you the couple like instructions and the accessories and the manual books. And also having the forms at the bottoms in case when you're sealing something, don't break it. And also the side of the units, we can see the inner side having the, for this one, you can simply to remove it and clean the inside. And for the inner side, the sealing space dimensions, between the two hinges, it is about like 12.5 inches wide and 15 inches long. And depth from this clip to the bottoms is about like 3.5 inches deep. Also, the manufacturer of these forms, it is about like 14 inches wide and 11 inches long. Thickness about like 1 inches. And from the manufacturers, they were offering the standard 110 plugs. They connect with the unit directly. And if you do have more questions, feel free to contact with us.